justifying the case of L&D, I think it's always if we find ourselves in that position where we're trying to justify the case for L&D, it's a argument that we can't win in the long run. And I think part of it has to do with the fact that there's the expectation that you're always going to be trying to prove a case with numbers that are hard to crunch or skills that you don't have. And you're trying to prove that case to your senior leadership team should L&D continue to exist. And this is why I keep advocating for if you're not already there, you should be the organizational spider. You should be, what comes to mind is Varys from Game of Thrones. And sorry, I haven't seen the new one, but you should have little birds everywhere looking for business problems and people to align with, because learn either because L&D is just not, unless you're you're doing a sterling job at your company, you've completely saved the business. It's going to be always a hard case to prove. And so I find that when you're making your case, it always helps to bring friends along. And so two of those people that I have for every initiative, there's always a change champion, where it's someone on SLT who knows your work and knows the value that you bring. And then the other person is the influencer, some high-level person on a cross-functional team who can explain how you told their story to other learners, or how you brought their resources to other people. And with that, you're then trying to make the case to you then have allies in your case to SLT. Should we keep our L&D team? You need other people to tell your story.